Greetings, class. I wanted to take just a few minutes of your time to provide you with an overview of the final presentation. The purpose of this presentation is to demonstrate a synthesis of the complex considerations impacting population health outcomes. For this assignment, you will need to identify a health issue of a population based on your area of practice or interest. When we think about health issues across populations, there are many different directions to move. Here are some examples. One example may include access to care among rural Americans, health outcomes for rural Americans, access to care for low-income older adults, or health outcomes in the transgender population. Those are only 4 examples. Think about those health issues that you have encountered across the readings this term, and I would select a health issue for a population that is again based on your area of practice or interest. For this presentation, you will take a deep dive to look at that health issue and to elaborate on concepts surrounding that issue, including ethical issues, policy issues, health inequities, diversity, health literacy, and social determinants of health. Based on the literature and the resources, you will create and propose a plan to bridge the gap in the continuum of care to improve outcomes for that select population. To deliver this presentation, you may use a PowerPoint with voiceover, or you may complete a video presentation. You will need to integrate at least 5 scholarly peer-reviewed resources as references. When we take a look at the rubric, there are elements within the introduction. Please do begin your presentation with at least 3 SMART objectives. With regards to the content, again, you will be doing a deep dive for the literature that addresses the health issue for the population that you identified. And you will elaborate on those issues surrounding that health issue with that population. So what are the ethical issues, the policy issues, etc. You will propose a plan to bridge the gap in the continuum of care based on evidence. And with that plan, it is important that you take into consideration, again, those complex factors such as the ethics, the policy, the health inequities, etc., surrounding the health issue. Please do craft your presentation and allow for opportunities for prompts. While this will not be a live presentation, I would like to see prompts for audience participation. The presentation should again be crafted to allow for open exchange of thoughts, etc. You will want to include a conclusion for this presentation and integrate your references within the slides, as well as include a reference slide at the end of the presentation. If you have any questions as you move toward completion of this presentation, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you.